Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. These upgrades to the new Google Pixel 11 are worth buying. According to the latest news, the upcoming Google Pixel 11 lineup has been spotted in new, attractive color shades, with massive new upgrades. Here's everything we know about the latest Pixel phone, and what it could mean for Google's upcoming flagship lineup. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Google is excited to launch its new Pixel 11 lineup on August 12, 2026. Ahead of the official launch, a new leaked image shows the upcoming Pixel 11 series in a new Frost Pistachio shade, which looks more premium. Not only is there a new color shade, but Amazon accidentally listed the new Pixel 11, revealing all the specifications. We are around a month away from the Made by Google launch event, and ahead of the official announcement, the Google Pixel 11 in a new Frost Pistachio color appeared, officially on a Google site, partially confirming that the Pixel 11 family will include this color variant. Moreover, Amazon accidentally listed the Pixel 11 series on its e-commerce site, revealing the key phone specifications and pricing details. The Pixel 11 series appears in two storage options: 256GB and 512GB, with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The listing also claims the Pixel 11, with a 6.3-inch OLED panel, at 2856 by 1280 resolution, with 120Hz refresh rate. On the front, it features a 13-megapixel selfie snapper, and it will be powered by a 4985 mAh battery. For connectivity, the new Pixel phone supports Bluetooth 6 and Wi-Fi 6E. The new Pixel 11 Pro also appears online, with storage up to 1 TB. Recent reports indicate that the new Pixel 11 Pro will have up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, added alongside the 512GB and 1 TB storage options. On the battery side, it will have a 4850 mAh battery. This year, the Pixel 11 series won't see a major battery upgrade. The high-end Pixel 11 Pro XL features a 6.8-inch OLED panel with 2992 by 1344 resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 5U115 mAh battery. It has the same 13-megapixel selfie snapper on the front. Under the hood, all Pixel 11 smartphones will be powered by a new 2nm processor and the latest Google Tensor G6 chipset. It will be combined with the MediaTek M90 modem chipset and the Titan M3 security chip. Google is excited to launch its new Pixel 11 lineup on August 12, 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.